From self-driving cars to smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's shaping our world every second. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? Why is everyone talking about it? We'll explore the world of AI in a way that anyone can understand. Let's get started. Part 1. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of a machine to think, learn, and make decisions, just like humans. But unlike humans, AI doesn't get tired, bored, or emotional. It's software, powered by data and algorithms, trained to do tasks like recognizing faces, translating languages, recommending YouTube videos, or even driving a car. Think of AI as the brain of a machine. It sees, hears, learns, and acts. And it's already all around you. Google Maps, ChatGPT, online shopping, spam filters, you name it. Part 2. A brief history of AI. The idea of intelligent machines goes back to ancient myths, but modern AI started in the 1950s when British mathematician Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially born at a conference at Dartmouth College. Back then, computers were huge and slow, and AI couldn't do much. But by the 2010s, with the rise of big data and powerful processors, AI finally took off, and it hasn't slowed down since. Part 3. How does AI work? Most modern AI uses something called machine learning. Here's how it works. You feed a computer tons of data, like thousands of photos of cats and dogs. The AI learns the patterns, ears, tails, whiskers, and teaches itself to recognize a cat from a dog. This is called training an AI model. Some AI uses neural networks, inspired by how the human brain works. They have layers that process information step by step, getting smarter as they go. Part 4. Types of AI. There are 3 main types of AI. Narrow AI. This is what we have today. It's good at one task only. For example, your phone's face unlock or Netflix recommendations. General AI. A theoretical AI that can think and reason like a human in any task. We're not there yet. Superintelligent AI. This is the sci-fi stuff, machines smarter than humans in every way. Experts debate if and when this will happen. Part 5. Real-life applications of AI. AI is already making a massive impact in many industries. Healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases, predict outbreaks, and even assist in surgery. Automobiles. Tesla's self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads and traffic. Entertainment. AI powers game characters, Netflix suggestions, and even music creation. Manufacturing. Robots with AI can work 24/7 without breaks. Education. AI tutors personalized learning for students based on their progress. Part 6. Pros and cons of AI. Like all powerful tools, AI has advantages and risks. Pros. Automates boring or dangerous tasks. Makes businesses smarter and more efficient. Helps us make better decisions with data. Powers accessibility tools for people with disabilities. Cons. Job loss from automation. Bias in AI decisions, like facial recognition errors. Privacy concerns. Potential for misuse in surveillance or warfare. Part 7. The future of AI. The future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. It could cure diseases, solve climate change, and help us explore space. But it also raises big questions about ethics, control, and what it means to be human. That's why researchers, governments, and companies are working hard to ensure AI is used responsibly and safely. So, what is AI? It's not just a buzzword. It's a tool, powerful, growing, and here to stay. The more we understand it, the better we can shape it for a better tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more content, and drop your thoughts about AI in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.